So let's unbox DJI Neo with goggle and RC motion sensor. So itself is a Neo drone. So it's small, compact, travel friendly. So let's unbox and I'm going to give you a review. So open this. I opened this last night. So for curiosity, I couldn't wait. So this is a drone. It's compact. And I'm going to show you what comes with the box. Here we come the RC. The motion RC. Perfect. It's small, handy. On this in a while. And user manual to propeller and a USB data cable to transfer data and a small tool to change the propeller. Let's go with the batteries. It comes with 3 batteries. One will come with the drone and other 2 comes with the box. It's a compact combo edition. And here we go. This is different and good. Unique. Let's unbox this. So it comes with a card, peeling. So very easy to operate. And it has a joystick here to control your manual, and select here is to connect to USB to your mobile, and it has this SD card. So let's go. I'm going to show you the rest of the options. Open this, you need to press here to open. You should install the app called DJI Fly. Okay, and a long press, it will connect to your drone. So it will start searching for your device. 4 seconds, your device is on now. It's searching for a device. Let's try again. So here it comes with DJI Neo. It's connecting. Join. Here we go. We started. You can see a camera. It has 12 megapixel camera for your pictures and 4K resolution for your videos. So it's very easy. You have an option called follow mode is default, and you have drone, you have circle, you have rocket, it goes straight away, and spotlight, it follows you. And I'm going to go with a manual now. So this is a record. You start recording, you give a record, and if you want to take for a landing, this is a button, or you can show your hands like this. Very easy. So if you want to do a landing, this is how you have to just push it. So you want to go left, right, up. It's raining, so I'm gonna avoid little bit. So it has a good clarity actually. So it shows you the time left here. It's 11 minutes. So in mode, so perfectly. This is how you have to land. Perfect. Lot of space for flying. So it depends on your motion. If you just move your face towards any position, your drone would start moving with the same positions. So this is not the right place to do it. So I'm gonna travel around. So stay tuned for more videos to watch a drone experience on my video. So cheers, bye bye, take care.